Warm greetings, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled you're here to join us on this culinary journey. It's day 7 of our nutritious adventure, and today, we're diving into the vibrant world of carrots. Professional chef Mr. Mustafa will be leading us, sharing 3 mouth-watering recipes that highlight this versatile vegetable. But before we get started, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you won't miss a single health-packed episode. Stay tuned in for a delicious and healthy day with carrots. Starting off our day with a vibrant carrot and apple salad for breakfast. This delightful dish not only pleases the palate, but also packs a punch of nutrition. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, we have 2 grated carrots. Carrots are a great source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. They also have a number of health benefits, including decreased cholesterol levels and improved eye health. Next, we add in a medium-sized apple, peeled and thinly sliced. Apples are high in fiber and vitamin C, making them an excellent choice for a nutrient-rich breakfast. To bring out the flavors of the carrot and apple, we'll squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, aids digestion and adds a refreshing tanginess to balance the sweetness of the apple and carrot. Now, for a touch of texture and extra nutrition, we're adding 2 tablespoons of raisins and 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. Raisins are packed with energy, vitamins, and minerals, and walnuts are rich in antioxidants and omega-3s. At this stage, if you like your salad a bit sweeter, feel free to add a tablespoon of honey. Besides sweetening your salad, honey is also known for its antioxidants and antibacterial properties. Once all the ingredients are in, give it a good mix, ensuring everything is well combined. The vibrant colors of the carrots, apples, and raisins speckled with walnuts make this salad a feast for the eyes as well. Finally, serve the carrot and apple salad on individual breakfast plates. This salad is a perfect way to kickstart your day, offering a burst of freshness and a host of health benefits. So there you have it, a carrot and apple salad that's not just tasty but also teeming with nutrients. It's a breakfast that keeps you satiated, energizes you, and contributes to your daily nutrient intake. Enjoy this refreshing and nutritious start to your day. Next, we have a comforting mashed carrot soup for lunch. Let's dive right into this delicious recipe. Our main ingredient is, of course, the humble carrot. This vibrant vegetable is not just tasty, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Rich in beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A, carrots support eye health and boost our immune systems. Now gather 4 medium-sized carrots and chop them into small pieces. You'll also need 1 medium onion, chopped, and 2 cloves of garlic, minced. These ingredients add depth and a savory note to our soup. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic, sautéing until they become soft and translucent, releasing their aromatic fragrances. Stir in the carrot pieces, allowing them to soften slightly over the next 5 minutes. Next, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth. This not only provides a base for our soup, but also adds a layer of flavor. Bring the ingredients to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the carrots are fully cooked. Once done, use a blender to puree the carrots until you achieve a smooth soup. Here's where we introduce our seasonings: salt, black pepper, a half teaspoon of ground cumin, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. These spices will elevate the taste, adding a hint of warmth and complexity. Stir these well into your soup, ensuring they're thoroughly mixed in. And voila! Your mashed carrot soup is ready to serve. If you're in the mood for a little extra, toasted bread slices make a perfect accompaniment. This soup isn't just delectable, it's also packed with nutrients. It's a great source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion, and the antioxidants in carrots can help to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Savor this warm, hearty soup for a nourishing midday meal. Enjoy the richness of its flavors and the wellness it brings with every spoonful. Stay tuned for our next recipe as we continue to explore the versatility of carrots in our meals. Finally, we have a satisfying and healthy carrot pasta with tomato sauce for dinner. This dish is a wonderful fusion of flavors and nutritional benefits. The vibrant carrots, rich in beta-carotene and fiber, pair perfectly with the tangy tomatoes, which are a powerhouse of vitamin C and lycopene. First, we'll need 200 grams of whole wheat pasta, which is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates and fiber. Cook the pasta in a large pot of salted boiling water, according to the package instructions, until it is al dente. Then drain the pasta and set it aside. While our pasta is boiling, Let's heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat in a large skillet. Olive oil not only adds a delicate flavor but is also heart-healthy with its monounsaturated fats. Into this, add 2 minced cloves of garlic. As they turn golden and fragrant, they release allicin, known for its immune-boosting properties. Next, add in 2 medium-sized grated carrots. As they sauté for about 3 to 4 minutes, the carrots will slightly cook, releasing their natural sweetness and enhancing their nutritional profile. It's time to add 2 large diced tomatoes to the mix. Continue stirring for about 5 minutes until a tomato sauce forms. Tomatoes are known to improve heart health, skin health, and even the health of our eyes. Now for the seasoning, add salt and black pepper to taste. Black pepper not only adds a kick to the dish, but also aids in digestion and has antioxidant properties. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet and toss it with the tomato sauce. This allows the pasta to absorb the flavors of the sauce, creating a harmonious blend of taste and nutrition. Finally, serve this wholesome pasta in serving dishes. If you want, garnish it with some freshly chopped basil. Not only does it add a pop of color, but basil also has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Relish this wholesome and tasty pasta for a fulfilling dinner. It's a delightful way to end your day knowing you've nourished your body with a meal that's as good for you as it is delicious. Today, we've shared 3 delightful and healthful carrot recipes. We started our day with a vibrant carrot and apple salad, packed with vitamins and fiber, a perfect morning boost. The combination of sweet apples, crunchy carrots, and a hint of lemon provides a refreshing start to your day, not to mention the added crunch of walnuts and a sweet touch of raisins. Moving on to lunch, we prepared a warming mashed carrot soup. This dish is a powerhouse of nutrients. Carrots, rich in vitamin A, combined with onions and garlic, make this a perfect immunity-boosting meal. The addition of cumin and cinnamon not only adds a burst of flavor, but also provides a range of health benefits, including aiding digestion and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. For dinner, we whipped up a hearty carrot pasta with tomato sauce. The whole wheat pasta offers a great source of complex carbohydrates, while the carrots and tomatoes serve up a dose of antioxidants. This dish is a beautiful blend of heartiness and health, making it an excellent choice for a satisfying, nutritious dinner. These recipes are not just about their enticing flavors and appetizing looks, but also about the health benefits they pack. Carrots, the star ingredient of our meals today, are known for their high beta-carotene content, which can improve eye health. They're also a good source of antioxidants, which can reduce the risk of cancer and cardiovascular diseases. We encourage you to try these recipes and to incorporate more carrots and other vegetables into your diet. These meals are not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a step toward a healthier lifestyle. The incorporation of a variety of vegetables into your meals ensures you get a broad spectrum of nutrients essential for your body's optimal functioning. And there you have it, 3 delicious meals that celebrate the humble carrot. Whether it's the crunch of the morning salad, the comforting warmth of the afternoon soup, or the satisfying heartiness of the evening pasta, these recipes offer something for everyone. Remember, the key to good health is a balanced diet. Enjoy these recipes and live healthily. That concludes our carrot-inspired day of meals. As we wrap up today's culinary journey, we hope you're feeling inspired and ready to get creative in your own kitchen. These recipes are not only delicious, they're also packed full of nutrients that your body will certainly thank you for. Remember, the beauty of cooking lies in the experimentation. Feel free to tweak these recipes to suit your taste buds. Maybe you want to add a little more cinnamon to your mashed carrot soup, or perhaps you'd like to try a different type of pasta with your carrot and tomato sauce. The kitchen is your playground, so don't be afraid to play around. We would love to hear about your cooking adventures. Did you try any of the recipes? How did they turn out? Did you make any changes? Share your experiences in the comments below. Hearing from you adds a dash of extra flavor to our shared love for healthy cooking. Don't forget, there's a whole world of recipes and cooking tips waiting for you right here on our channel. So do hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy and keep cooking.